Hey everybody, this is my 2003 Mach 1, and I just want to show you guys my car and talk a little bit about it, and then go on a drive later so you guys can hear it. I picked this car up about a month ago. The car has 129,000 miles on it. I bought it with 128,000. The motor was rebuilt, and by rebuilt I mean built. All forged internal motor. Has stage 2 Crowley Cams, or Crowley Cams, however you want to pronounce it. It's got 410 gears. Has 315s in the back. It has a short throw shifter, full length subframe connectors. It's got full exhaust, BBK long tube headers, BBK X pipe, Flowmaster mufflers. What else does that have? Drilled and slotted rotors, the usual. I love the car. It's really rowdy. A ton of fun. Car makes about 370 to the tire on 93. It's a lot of fun. I couldn't be happier. Hopefully one day I'll be able to boost it though, but we'll see. Right now it's a lot of fun being an all-motor car. Need to get rid of these center caps though. I hate that. But yeah, I'm excited to go for a drive and so you guys can hear it. Here's the engine bay. Nothing too special. Motor was spotless when I picked it up, but it's a little dirty now. It's a little bit. But if you guys don't know, these valve covers and coil pack covers are the exact design and look that is on the 2005 and 2006 Ford GT supercar. I thought that was a really cool touch. I need to get them redone though, but I really like them. Really brightens up the engine bay when you open it up. Really pops. And then of course the classic shaker. I love that. Oh, I forgot I have Nitto Motorsports caster camber plates as well. Let's see if I can see the headers real quick. Probably can't see too well, but they're really cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and get her on the road. you enjoyed that little video of my car, getting on it a little bit. Hopefully some more videos to come with the Mach 1, our 97 Cobra that we have under recovery right now. We have a 2003 Terminator Cobra as well, but that's not here at the moment. It's at the shop because our roof got damaged. You can probably take a guess why. But she'll be back soon. Thanks, guys.